Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on the Wet n Wild Care Bear collection. I got 4 things from the collection and I think they're all super cute. But here, let's start with the bronzer, which is Live, Laugh, Hug. The bronzer shade is the Tender Heart Bear, and it's this nice kind of like dark yellowy bronzer, and I decided to use the bronzer and the blush on my eyes as well as my cheeks today. And I just did a simple look with the bronzer. I just put it in my crease, and then I also added the Do What You Love with the Love A Lot Bear blush onto my eyes, and I am obsessed with this color. And this is definitely going in my top favorite blush video because it's such a pretty pastel. And then I also went in with this new Profusions Cosmetic Bright Lights UV Neon Liner in the shade Flash, which I've never tried out before, and it's super fun. I don't have a UV light, so I can't try out if it's actually UV. I just did a simple winged eyeliner look. I must say, I feel like it was kind of patchy, a little hard to go over, and it got a little cracky towards the end, but nothing that really bothered me. I would wear this on its own. But I decided to go in with the Colourpop Lizzie McGuire Glitterally Obsessed Glitter Gel in the shade Get a Grip, and I put that over top the liner just to add a little bit more sparkle. I feel like if a Care Bear was real, they would definitely wear this eyeliner. And I did pick up some of the lashes. I got the one which was the blue packaging, which is the Bedtime Bear Wish Big lashes, and they're super pretty and flirty. They kind of remind me of the R.e.m beauty lashes, but obviously 10 times cheaper. I'm definitely gonna keep these in my rotation. They're just super like natural but fluffy and flirty, and I love them. I don't think I'd ever tried a Wet n Wild eyelash before. Do they actually sell them? I guess they do now, but I had never seen any before. For my base, I'm trying out this Physicians Formula Butter Believe It foundation and concealer, and if you don't love the smell of the butter bronzer, you won't love this because it's definitely still in the foundation, which foundation does not need a scent, but honestly, I love this scent, so it really adds to the foundation. I definitely feel like I got a little bit of a light shade. It works for me now, but in the summer it's going to be too pale. I watched a review where it said it oxidized, but it definitely doesn't. So I'm definitely gonna have to get a deeper shade if I end up wanting to wear this in the foundation in the summer. But this made my skin look so poreless. It's really, really good, and it wears really well. And then I went in with my trusty Dose of Colors Nature Hue Concealer, which I hadn't used in a while, and I'm actually running a little low, which is sad. And then I took the Cloud set from Kosas and Feathery because I felt like it went with the Care Bear vibes to set my face. And here I'm applying the Live Laugh Hug Wet n Wild Care Bear bronzer. And at first I thought this was going to be a little too dark for me. And it definitely is dark, but it has such a pretty tone to it. I feel like even once I get a little tanner, it's going to look even better on my skin. But I have been reaching for this every time I do my makeup. As well as this blush. It's just such a stunning, blossomy, springy pink. Like, all I want to do is just stare at it. It definitely has a lot more kickback in the pan than the bronzer does, which I noticed. But isn't even the little embossing hearts on the bronzer so cute? It matches the bear's stomach. Next up is the Let Your Light Shine highlighter, and it's the Fun Shine Bear. And it also has a little embossing of its stomach icon, and it's super gold and sparkly and beautiful. You can see it being applied here. It's not too gold where it looks like yellow on your face, so that's nice. It's like a very nice champagne-y color. I ended up putting it in my inner corners and on my brow bone too, to add it into my eyeshadow look. Here I am getting all the dead skin off my lips with the Dunkin' Donuts Original Blend Lip Scrub. I didn't actually talk about this in my last video, even though I had it in it, but I've been using this every day because my lips have been hella dry and it definitely helps. And this is my first time using the R.e.m. Beauty Lip Stain Marker in Booked and Busy, which Ariana said this one was her favorite, so I was excited to try it out. And I haven't used a lip stain since those like Revlon ones back in the day, and I really like it so far. It gives that, how do I say this without sounding like, it doesn't, like, you know when people get lip filler and their lips are like a little bruised? It gives that vibe to me. I don't know why. Maybe it's just like the dry spots on my lips that give that vibe, but I love this color. Something nice to throw on. And then I'm putting on the Glaze for Days, the pink lip gloss, over top that for a bit of a juicy vibe. And I want Dunkin' to come out with a perfume that smells like this lip gloss because it is so yummy and delicious. There's the completed look. Super fun and sparkly, and I feel like if this was a Care Bear, it would probably be definitely this collection is super cute and very nostalgic. I used to love Care Bears. Honestly, I still love Care Bears. Also, if you stuck around to the end, here is my friend Alex's beautiful kitty at midnight. We were babysitting her for a week and she was very hesitant to love us. She loved me, never really liked Derek. If he came into the room, she would run out immediately. She was such a cute baby, very shy and anxious, definitely needs some anxiety meds. I hope you liked this video and the swatches helped you out if you wanted some of the Care Bear collection. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye!